Today we're installing our GoWesty Pop Top Lift Assist Kit on an early Westy. Let's get started. Inside the kit you'll find all the necessary hardware and anything you're going to need to install this. Just scan the QR code. So all the tools we'll be using today, I'm going to use a 10mm socket wrench, 11 open end, a punch, possibly a mark or marker. We'll see, whatever's convenient for you. First, we'll be installing the lower bracket. That's going to be on this last bolt here, and that's going to be a 10mm at the socket. The kit did come with a replacement bolt, a little bit longer, so we'll use that as well as silicone. That's going to go right around the washer here. Now we're going to install the ball end. The ball end's going to go on the inside, and we'll put the nut on. The nut is going to be a 13mm, and the ball end side is going to be an 11. All right, so next we're going to pop the shock on and see where this is going to line up. This will give us a better idea. So we'll pop this on here, and we're going to go put the other side in here. Looks like we got a pretty good area here. I'm going to make my marks here and then right underneath that, and we'll start drilling. So my marks are here and here. Now the key is, you got to remember, the pop top is at an angle. You want to make sure that you're not drilling at an angle. You want to be with the angle of the roof, because we don't want the screws going in or the bolts going in at an angle. So keep that in mind. The last size I'll be using a 15/16. That's going to be the size of the bolt. Our bolts, we're going to go ahead and put a little silicone on them and feed them through right on the washer there. We fit the bolts through. We're going to put the 10mm nuts on the back side. All right, pretty good. Overall, the installation was pretty simple. The QR code instructions were very helpful. All right, let's grab the tools and go to the other side. All right, so let's see how it feels. Wow. It actually helps out quite a bit. That's a much noticeable difference. If you're looking at adding a roof rack, having luggage, bikes, kayaks, this is definitely an upgrade you want to do. Overall, the installation was straightforward. It's definitely easy to use. This is definitely an accessory you're going to want to have when you're going camping. Get the GoWesty Lift Assist Kit. Let's go camping. I'll drop the link below. Have a great day, guys.